AdSense has launched a new revenue stream for publishers called AdSense Auto Ads. What it does is it's a smart placement, and they have machine learning that identifies the best placement where the ad is most likely to perform. And if there's an available spot for it, they're going to inject the ad within the website or within the web page. It's not going to take over the existing banner ads that you have, and the ad will only show up if there is an available spot or space. Another advantage is that you will only deploy the code once, and that's it. You can already make all these changes, settings on your AdSense user interface, and you don't even have to modify or change the code that you have initially deployed. Let's get started on how to set up AdSense Auto Ads. Once you log in, go to My Ads. Under Content, you're going to see the section called Auto Ads. If this is the first time you're doing this, you can see this window right here, and you just click on Get Started. Now, these are the different ad formats that is currently supported by AdSense Auto Ads. When you click on them, there's a preview on the right-hand side to allow you to see how it looks like on a mobile device or desktop device. Then you also have a button here which you can toggle on or off. Then go ahead and click on other ad formats to see how they look like or how they appear, and some of them are only available for mobile, and that's the reason why you can only see the mobile preview in here. So this is basically your global setting, which means this is the same setting that will be applied across all pages of your site. But later, we will discuss on how you can override the global setting if you want a different format or different set of ad formats on specific URLs or specific sections of your site. Once you're done setting up all the ad formats that you want to enable globally or across the entire website, you can go ahead and click Save. Then this is going to give you the code that you need to deploy in the source code of your site, specifically in the head section. Then if you're a WordPress user, on the right-hand side, you have a link here that you can check out. That's your guide on how to implement or deploy the code in your WordPress site. That's it, and you can go ahead and click Done. Now you've got Auto Ads. Now, how do we make sure, or how do we set up specific URL group if we want to override the global setting? In here, you can go ahead and set up or click on New URL group. Here you have all the URLs or domains running under this account. In order for you to create a specific URL group, you go ahead and click Add URL. Here you can specify the domain. So let's say domain.com/sports. Because let's say you want a different set of ad formats for your sports section. You go ahead and say add. It will automatically detect the root domain, and there's going to be an option to expand that, and you will see the subdomain that you just created. So click on that URL group and say next. Then specify the ad formats you want to enable for this specific URL or section of your site. So let's say I want anchor ads and text and display ads for my sports page. Click next, and then give it a name. So you can say domain.com, this is arbitrary sports section. Then it's going to show you the ad formats you have enabled for this specific URL and the URL assignment summary. Then just click on Save. And there you go. You also have an option for AMP or accelerated mobile pages in here. And that's another feature that AdSense offers. Now, let's say you changed your mind and you wanted to modify or change the ad formats. You don't have to change the code that was deployed initially in the source code of your site. All you need to do is log into your AdSense account, go to My Ads and Auto Ads, and let's say I want to check or change the sports section. Just click on Edit, click on it, say Next, and all you need to do is just turn on or off whatever ad formats you would like to serve or disable for this section of the site. And then when you click Next, you're going to see the ad formats enabled again and the URL assignment, and then just click on Save. And that's it. No changes needed in the source code of the site.
That's it for today. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to subscribe to our blog to learn to monetize more. Hope to see you here again soon. Bye for now.